Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. Hey guys, I want to tell you about a company called GSJJ. As you can see here on your screen, they create some amazing designs for you based on your ideas. Okay, some great things about GSJJ is that they have free shipping in the United States, Canada, Australia, the UK, free shipping. You get to design your own art, whatever your heart so desires, for them to actually create for you. And then there's no minimum quantity, which is amazing. And they have very, very reasonable prices. Now, when you come to their website, I'm going to put in the description my affiliate link, which will give you a 20% discount on anything that you order. But you can come to their website and go to designs, and you can actually create your own design. And they will take and turn that into a pen, embroidery patch, you name it. And all you have to do is click this link to design online. And then once you've designed something, you'll have another link here, which will actually save designs that you've had in there. So if you want to, go back and a year from now reorder using that same design, then you can just view your saved designs here. You can go to the gallery here, and the gallery is going to show you all the amazing things or products that you can get through them with your own design. So you can get custom pens, you can also get trading pens and metals, embroidery patches, which is what I'm going to be showing you here today. I have a 100% embroidered patch, and it is 3.5 inches in size. And guys, it has an adhesive backing, so all you have to do is iron it on. Now, you could use an iron, but it is recommended to use a heat press, and we'll talk about that. But in addition to that, they have custom lanyards. You can also get custom coins. Guys, just come check them out. Look, they're amazing, amazing. And this is all based off of your thought process. You create the designs that you would like them to actually bring to fruition or to life for you. This company has been around for about 20 years. And just to give you a little background, about 20 years in the manufacturing business. And like I said, you get free shipping to the US, the UK, Canada, Australia, and also free design and artwork. And guys, you can get lapel pins, patches, stickers, challenge coins, medals, belt buckles, keychains, lanyards, waistbands. The list is amazing. All of the different things that you can get here. Okay, so what you're looking at are designs that others have created or designs that you may be interested in. You can also do a keyword search. Let's see what we get if we just put in female. Okay, custom female symbol. And let's try kid. Okay, so really easy to search on here, guys. All you have to do is enter a keyword. You don't have to get super, super descriptive, just a couple of letters to see what they already have out here. But like I said, you can also go to design and create your own just by clicking on the design online and then entering your information. Now, I did submit my own information, and I'm going to be showing you here my 100% embroidered patch that I am in love with. Okay, so check them out. Again, I'm going to put their link for 20% off in the description of this video tutorial. So let me show you my patch.
All right, guys, so I want to show you the patches that I got. They come in a little bag like this, and I got 20 100% embroidery patches, and this is what they look like. And so this was the design that I gave them, and you can see my little G looks like a little cross right there. But it says God is. This is 100% embroidery. It has the mirrored um, backing or border here, and then it has the adhesive backing. Now, when you iron this on, guys, the backing doesn't have any adhesive. So the little white part, that part right there, it doesn't have any adhesive. The adhesive is only on the non-bordered part. Okay, so don't think that it's not sticking when you iron it on. We're going to press this on our t-shirts. I'm going to be putting this on a gray t-shirt because I think that will look really, really good on a gray t-shirt. And I'm going to put it on the left side here. And we're going to, even though you can use an iron to do these, it's highly recommended to use a heat press instead for longevity. And if you're going to use an iron, you want to use the highest setting that you have on your iron, okay? Now for a heat press, we're going to heat press this at 370 degrees for 18 seconds, okay? And I'm probably going to tack it on first on the front side like that, and then I'm going to turn my shirt on the inside and also press it from the back. But that's after I've heat pressed it from the front. Now they don't recommend you do that, but I try to keep my stuff as long as possible, guys. So I'm kind of thinking that it'll stick better if I do it from both sides. But I'm going to tack the front side first, and then I'm going to turn the shirt on the inside out and also do that. And you also want to use some wax paper. I don't have wax paper. I don't know if wax paper is somewhat like parchment paper, but that's what I'm going to be using is parchment paper because I don't have any wax paper. But 370 for 18 seconds. And if you need to convert that, it'll be about 187 Celsius compared to your Fahrenheit. Okay. So this is what we're going to be heat pressing. So let's go to the press and let's walk through that process on how to iron this on. And again, guys, to use this company, GSJJ, I'm going to put my affiliate link in the description. And so you can use that to get 20% off. And the turnaround time was really, really quick, guys, to get this done. So mine is kind of simple, but I say it's very powerful because God is. All right, let's go to the press.
All right, guys, I decided to go with a gray shirt instead because I think it looks better with that white mirrored border around there. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to heat press your shirt for about 5 seconds just to get out any moisture. And you're getting out the moisture, guys, to make sure that you get longevity out of your embroidered patch on your shirt. And you're going to take and you're going to put the glue side down, just like that. And I'm going to take a piece of parchment paper and put it on top. Now, again, we're doing 380 for 18 seconds. All right, we're going to count her down. And you can do this on basically any type of fabric, guys. And it doesn't have to just be, you know, t-shirts or anything like that. So I just want to put that out there. We're done. Just that quick. And you don't have to worry about peeling anything. It is actually stuck to the shirt, guys. So you don't have to peel anything off. You just want to let it cool down. I'm going to go ahead and turn my heat press off. But you guys can see our patch is on. And check the site because I didn't see the washing instructions, guys. I'm pretty sure it's just your standard, but I'm pretty sure like with any other products that we use, that you want to make sure that you wait at least 24 hours before you actually um, wash it, because you want to give that adhesive time to, you know, pretty much stick. And I'm going to flip mine over just to be on the safe side. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to flip mine over and I'm going to press it one more time. And I can see where the glue is coming through here. You see that dark spot? So I'm going to put the parchment paper down. I'm going to hit it one time from the back side now that I have it adhered. And I'm just going to count it down. My press is still hot. All right. And that's just to make sure that I get a good result from the heat press here. And let's turn it over. And yeah, stuck really good, guys. Okay, so I did mine from the front and the back, and I'm going to wear the shirt today because I am super excited about my custom patches. Guys, check them out, GSJJ.com. I'm going to link them in the description, and you guys can check them out there. And the link that I'm going to put in the description will give you 20% off of anything that you order from them. And hey, guys, if you're currently in my Facebook group, I want to thank you guys so much for following me via Facebook. And if you would like to join my group, it will also be linked in the description of this video. It is Ken Doris's Cricut and Creative Crafters. And if you're currently subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you guys so much for following me via YouTube. And if you would like to join my channel, you like my method of teaching, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. And you guys know my motto, each one reach one, so that each one can teach one. And always remember, God is. Have a great day, guys. Bye.